By definition, planned obsolescence is the artificial reduction of the durability of a product to make consumers to buy new products before they would need to, and therefore more often. In practical terms, this means that some products they are made to break, or they become obsolete because of their functionality or because of their appearance. It's a very complex strategy, but I think we can summarize classifying it in 3 different types. We have planned obsolescence of quality, which is the strategy to make the products obsolete using materials of inferior quality or using technologies to make them stop working after a while. We have planned obsolescence of desirability, which is basically the strategy to make a product become obsolete because of its appearance or because of the design, even though it's still fully functional. And we have a 3rd type called planned obsolescence of function. The general definition of this 3rd type is when a product becomes obsolete because of the launch of a new product or of the same product in the market but with improvements. This 3rd type of planned obsolescence still has 2 subtypes. The first one is known as postponed obsolescence. Basically, this is when a manufacturer has already a technology but withhold this technology to launch in his next model. This is very common in the smartphone industry, for example. The second subtype of planned obsolescence of function is what I call systemic planned obsolescence. The definition of this subtype is when the manufacturer make replacement or update in a system, generating modifications in a product, and therefore this continued use becomes very difficult, if not impossible. A good example of this is the update of the software, which many times cause different dysfunctionalities in a device. Planned obsolescence was developed due to several reasons, but mainly to keep our economy growing. Our current economic model, based in infinite growth, needs production and consumption also in constant increase. Therefore, different strategies were developed. Among them, we have planned obsolescence. The problem is that our current economic model is not sustainable. We live in a planet with limited natural resource and resilience capacity. It's exactly because of this reason that we're living or experience a social and environmental crisis. This economic model is depleting and destroying the natural resource while deepening the gap between rich and poor in all levels.